Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video, which is about how to fix your Snapchat is temporarily disabled. So guys, here I will show you how can you fix this problem if your Snapchat account is temporarily disabled. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and from here open your Snapchat, and from here tap on login, and from here tap on forgot your password, and from here select your email or phone number. So guys, from here tap on submit reset password, and here you will receive a code to reset your password for your Snapchat. So guys, here you can see I have received a code, and after that I can reset my password to activate my disabled account very easily. So guys, in this way you can also activate your disabled account very easily on your Snapchat. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.